Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw XRP with destination tag on exchanges, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw XRP with a destination tag from your exchange, start by logging into your exchange account. Locate the wallet or balances section from the main menu. Find XRP in your list of cryptocurrencies. Click on the withdraw button next to XRP. You will be prompted to enter your XRP wallet address. Open your wallet application or platform where you want to receive your XRP. Copy your XRP wallet address carefully. Return to the exchange and paste your XRP wallet address in the designated field. Next, look for the section that asks for the destination tag. In your wallet, find the destination tag associated with your XRP account. Copy the destination tag accurately. Go back to the exchange and paste the destination tag in the provided field. Double-check both the wallet address and the destination tag for accuracy. Enter the amount of XRP you wish to withdraw. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal. Once everything looks correct, proceed by clicking the Confirm or Submit button. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication process to finalize the transaction. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Check your wallet after a few minutes to see if the XRP has arrived. If there are any issues, consult the support section of your exchange. This process ensures that your XRP withdrawal is successful and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.